Hello and welcome to my channel.
Let's make this cute coaster only using scrap yarn. I have a lot of scrap yarn and I kind of picked out what I want to do next. You can use how many colors you want, but I'm going to make checkered, so I need two of these, and then outer color I'll do different because I like more colors. So I have these here and I kind of want to use something like here. You don't need a lot of yarn for your checkered, but I have this blue here. I think I'll use this little bit. This, I am not good with picking colors. Maybe I'll do these two and this for the outer color. Let's see how that works out. I think I'll do lighter colors. So I have light DK here and DK. So this is Hobbii cotton 8.6 and Hobbii cotton 8.8. So they are slightly different, but it doesn't matter. It's very small and I don't think it doesn't matter. I have these two. I have very little that you can see. You use one color, you use more. So here with the white one I have 1 2 3 4 5 squares, and the pink one I have only 4. So I'm going to start with the lighter color because I wanna be able to use this little piece of yarn. So with the blue I had to only make 4 squares and hopefully I can finish. I have enough, we'll see. So make a slip knot and chain 11. Into the third chain, start half double crochet and make next 3 stitches are half double crochet, 2, and third stitch. Don't finish it with the same color, but pick the new color, tighten the other color a little bit. First stitches I'm going to also crochet over the tail. So 1, 2, 3, drop the tail and change the color, and next 3 stitches, make the other color, and at the end of row 1 don't change the color and chain 2, turn your work, drag the other yarn with you and make 3 stitches with the same color. Now change the color, one, 2, 3, change the color, again 1, 2, and now you had to change the color here and chain 2. I always pull a little bit the other color so it tightens up. Now just do the opposite colors so it creates the checkered effect. change the color. One, two, three, change the color again. Now, the end of row 3, do not change the color, and chain 2, turn your work. Every third stitch you change the color. Change the color and chain 2, and now we have last 2 rows left. I had very little blue left since I used it the second color. I had enough to finish the square and I love it. So now we're gonna do one extra round here. So chain 2, and we're gonna make 9 half double crochets on this side. So each square you should make 3 half double crochets. There's no correct way to make them, so just try to even them out nicely. So first one, I'm gonna make it here. One, second one goes in here. 2, and then make it here. So first I'm gonna make into the stitch here, then I'm gonna make here, here, now turn your work and make 9 stitches down here. So 1, 9. Again, turn your work and make 9 stitches on this side. Just try to even out the stitches. turn your work again and make 9 stitches here, half double crochet, now slip stitch into the first stitch and change the color of your yarn. And you can cut the other yarn. Chain 2. Every third stitch now we're gonna do half double crochet increase. So first stitch starts where the chain is. So 1, 2, third stitch we do the increase, 3 and 4. Again, third stitch we do the increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, and keep doing that. That's the last stitch. Last stitch is the increase. Again, slip stitch into the first stitch and chain 2. Now we're gonna do the increase every fourth stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and increase goes, you see where the V is, and this is our increase. Again, fourth stitch we make the increase, 1, 2, 3, and increase. Again, and keep doing it until we get back to the beginning. So I'm almost at the end. Slip stitch into the first stitch and you can cut the yarn and you can pull it through here, and now it is almost a circle. You can tighten up these ends here. Now you can just randomly go pick a spot, put the yarn through, and tie a knot. I wanted it to be smaller, like shell stitch, but you can make it bigger. You can use double crochets. You can make 6 double crochets into one stitch. This is what I wanted, but you can change it really easily. So pull up a loop and chain 2, make 2 double crochets into the stitch, skip next one, slip stitch into the next one after that, then again skip, and next one we do 3 half double crochets. Again, you can change these stitches, you can make 6, you can make 5, you can make double crochets in here, but I want the smaller edge. 3 half double crochets, skip, slip, skip, and 3 double crochet, half double crochets again. And just keep doing it. Skip, slip, skip, and 3. This here is not the stitch where this is our slip stitch. I'm going to skip this one, and then I'm going to do half double crochets into the next one here. Skip, slip, skip, and half double crochets. Then I have skip, slip stitch, skip, and I only made 2 half double crochets, so I'm gonna make 1 more here. I'm going to slip stitch into the first stitch, and you can cut the yarn. And your poster is ready, and it is super cute. It is very light pink. It looks like white, but it's light pink. It is super cute, really easy to make, and perfect project to use all of your scrap yarns. Please subscribe and like my channel. I would like to hear from you. Comment, ask more tutorials I would like to make. I love these coasters. This is perfect little present to give for your friend or a loved one. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. See you in the next video. Bye.